Hi, in this video I'll be showing you the KPI indicator. This is a custom visual that can be imported from the app source in Power BI. So let's get straight to it. I have imported the data, and this is the sales versus target data that I have. So the spreadsheet name is sales quota, and we have our actual, we have a fiscal month, we have our month, we have a month number, and we have the target. So first I'll be showing you the normal KPI visual that is available in Power BI. So I'll have my month in here, then I'll have my actual, and then I'll have my target. I don't need that as a count, I need that as a sum, and similarly this also as a sum. This looks great. So now it says that my goal was 240, that was my target, but my actual was just 225 and I'm short by 6.25%. So this looks okay. I mean, this is a great visual, but we'll be working with something even better. For that, let's have my month in here. Drag my month in here. Oh, okay, I don't need that. Just have my month in here, and let's have my actual. So you see there's a problem with this. My months are not sorted according to my, they're sorted randomly. They're sorted according to the data. They're not sorted properly. I need my January 1st and my December last. So here what you're going to do is you're going to go to modeling, and you're going to go to, now one second, you're going to go to view, I guess. Going to go to modeling, and you're going to go to month, sort column by. You're going to click on month, then you go to custom tools, you can sort column by, and you say that how do you want to sort this month column. So I want it by my month number, and you see that it gets sorted same way. So I have my January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So this looks great. We've done this. Let's put this to the side, and one second, let's just, okay, this looks great. Now let's bring in our KPI indicator. So let's go to the app source, and this is the KPI indicator. I'll press enter, and this is the one we want. Let's click on that, and let's see how it looks. Okay, this looks great, this looks beautiful, and let's import this one. So before we start working on this visual, let me just tell you what all this visual can do and why is it different than the normal KPI. So this is the KPI indicator. You can use it to visualize key performance indicators, compare actual and target values, and also you can use it to show deviation as a percent of the actual and show historical trend as line or bar chart. So you can show the trend as a line chart or a bar chart. Let's keep this the same sizes so that it's easy for you to understand and compare as to which one of them is better and why it's actually better. So this is the KPI indicator visual. You see the black outline means the visual is selected. So I want to have my month in here first, and then I want to have my actual, and then I want to have my target, not the count of it, the sum. So you click on the drop down and just go and change it, not an issue. Okay, so the difference between the normal KPI indicator and the normal KPI visual and the KPI indicator visual is visible to all of you. I don't need to explain a lot about this. And what's the best part is that you have a trend line right here. The trend line looks beautiful. I mean, it shows you the month-wise breakup of the actual and the target. You've seen the data labels also. This looks beautiful. This, the tooltips looks amazing. The color, the everything about this indicator KPI visual is beautiful. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the formatting options that we have available here. So for example, for the normal KPI visual that is already there in Power BI, the only options that you have are the normal ones. So you've got the indicator option, text size and stuff like that. Trend axis, you could turn that off, so you won't see anything in the background. Frankly speaking, this looks a little ugly compared to this one. This looks more structured and more beautiful, and this just looks, I mean, I don't know, I would not present this to someone, I would present this to someone. That is all I'm saying, but everyone has their own choice. So yeah, let's come to the formatting options for this visual, and inside this visual the formatting options available to us are somewhat the same, but the one that is different, so we've got visual headers, we've got borders is the same, the generals are the same with the x-axis, y-axis and stuff like that. We've got the log aspect where if you change the position, change the size, it stays the same. and we've got a background. Now these three that I'm going to be focusing on. So turn on the KPI font, go in font, change the heading, change the values. Okay, you could do that. I want to make the heading 25, do that. Oh, sorry, not 205, 22. Let's keep the 20 actually. 25, yeah, let's make the 25, and let's turn that off. Actually, let's have it the way it was. Then come to KPI colors. Now you've got a lot of options in here. I have the trend line. I could have it as a different color, so this looks good. I have the text, it's white. I can have it in blue, no issues. And then this are some indicators. So for example, if you have values that define what is good, what is neutral, what is bad, and what is, let's say you don't want to show anything. So if you have data that like that, you could use these data colors as well, KPI colors as well. And the KPI general options is what I'm going to be focusing on right now. So I don't want this as a sum of actual. I just want this to be named as actual versus target. This looks great. Okay, and you could change the banding percentage, you could change the banding type. So what banding type means is increasing it better. So for our data set, I want to obviously cross my target. My actual must be more than my target. So for us, the higher the value, it's better. But let's say you're working with some budget data set. So let's say you have a budget of 100, like I told you in the beginning, I gave you an example. You don't want to exceed that budget. You want to be below that budget. So decreasing is better. Increasing would be bad in that particular situation. And closer is better, maybe some health data where you have blood pressure values. So the closer to the normal standard blood pressure value your blood pressure is, the better it is. So depending on the data set that you have, you can change the banding type. So for us, increasing is better because we want to achieve our targets and go beyond our targets. And you could have it as absolute also, and you could have it as relative. So let's keep it relative, and let's look at this. So I could have a line chart. This is a line chart. I could have a line chart without a marker, so you still won't see the dots, you just see those curves. So you won't see any tooltips, but I could have a bar chart. So this also looks really great. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull in one more visual, the same one, the KPI indicator, and I am just going to have my actual and my month in here. Yeah, so I've imported one more visual of the same KPI indicator, and I'm just going to have my actual and my month in here. One second. So I'm going to select my month. Why am I not able to do that? One second. Yeah, okay. So let's make it. Oh, yeah. One second. Let's do this again. I don't know why I'm making this mistake. Let's remove this field. Okay, so I imported one more. Let's delete this. So I'm going to import one more time. I don't know, I fussed up. Okay, so I want to have my month in my trend axis. That looks great, and my actual value with my actual. Not a count, I want to sum. Okay, so this is how it looks. Sorry I was not able to do it, I don't know why. So yeah, so you can have this just to show the sum of the total sales that you actually achieved. So you could go to KPI general and change the title. So actual, maybe sales, actual sales. 246 looks great. For each month, the breakup is there. You could have a line chart here. You could change the colors like it showed you in KPI colors. So the KPI options, formatting options are not there in the normal KPI chart. They're there only in the KPI indicator. That is a custom visual. So this looks pretty beautiful. This looks beautiful from a presentation, beautiful from a presentation perspective, from a report perspective, and any perspective that you want to look at. I mean, look at this one and then look at this one. Obviously you could have filtering options in here. So for example, if I select June, my entire data gets filtered that way. So actually what, let's have a slicer in here for months, just to show you how it works. So press Ctrl F to select multiple of these. So I'll have, so I have 4 months selected, and this looks pretty great. So yeah, this was the KPI indicator visual. It's very useful and better than the normal KPI indicator. So thank you. I hope you learned something new. Stay tuned for more videos on Power BI custom visuals, and keep practicing on Power BI.